After Sultan, you said that
You become big, you put on weight.
No.
Yes. Huge.
Okay, I have. Last time you said that after Ready, you've not got an out-and-out comedy film. This looks promising. This is very entertaining from the dialogues. When can we see you doing something like this? Are you getting any offers like that?
Well, I wanted to be a part of this one. He didn't want to, and categorically, he said, "No, bhai, I'm not." I said, "कुछ भी दे दे इसके अंदर यार." He took him, but he didn't take me.
I'm very good in the film, okay?
All right, but are you looking forward to a comedy film like?
Yes, of course.
Sohail bhai,
I'm dying to do a comedy.
No, we can't have any more questions, please. Thank you so much.
Last.
We've had enough questions.
जब आपके पास ये स्क्रिप्ट आई तो क्या पहले ही आपने इमेजिन किया था कि नवाज भाई इसमें फिट बैठेंगे या कोई और भी एक्टर्स आपके दिमाग में चल रहे थे? क्या कुछ चल रहा था जब आप स्क्रिप्ट फाइनलाइज कर रहे थे?
हाँ. It's the genre of the film is not a very larger than life. It's about a small town boy, a basti, a mohalla boy who goes ahead. So
Singh Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
it was a different emotional journey. And जब हम लोग ने कहानी लिखी, I had a thought, and I had the thought, I had an idea. So I had done the basic casting of it. And then जब मैंने राज को बुलाया, and when I narrated the story to him, and I told him that मैं अभी तक नवाज भाई से मिला नहीं हूँ, but I've got Nawazuddin in mind. So when he penned the film, he penned him according to watching his work and stuff that way. So it fitted like a glove. So जब हमने नवाज भाई को बुला के उनको कहानी सुनाई, even he identified with it right away. So I just think, in a journey, things just get together. We just have to work towards it, and then things find its own path.
That's it, guys. I don't have any more questions. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
One sawal for Arbaz, please.
Acha, okay. But guys, that's the last question. We are not having any more questions after that.
Arbaz,
It's come from
I have a question
Ahmedabad.
for you. First of all,
Make it 4, please. Alag.
first of all, could you tell something about the character in the film? And second, there has been a lot of buzz about Dabangg 3. What is happening with that? 2 questions. When is it going on floors?
Okay, the first one is that I play a character called Maqsood in the film. Maqsood is a friend of Nawaz Ali's character in the film, who's also a kind of a sidekick. And he is a small-time gangster. He's like a petty thief. He's is into extortion and all that. And when Ali runs into a bit of trouble, he wants to help him out and get him out of it. And we have a very strange kind of a friendship. That will be unraveled in the film. हमारे बीच में तकलीफ भी हो जाती है, एक दूसरे से नाराज़गी हो जाती है. I do something which upsets him, and ultimately, if the friendship wins over, and I realize, and he forgives me in that particular moment. As far as Dabangg 3 is concerned, well, this man is going to tell me when is the window, and he says otherwise he'll show me the door.
कैसे सवाल पूछते हैं यार? भूल गया था Dabangg 3 के बारे में, याद दिला दिया.
But are you scripting the film? Is it being scripted?
Yes, the brothers are working on the script right now.
To wrap this up, I would like to thank everyone on stage. They've all been a great contribution to the film, and this film could have not been made without them. So thank you guys, thank you all of you guys, and thank you guys for being here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, all you media members. Let's have a photo op here, please. Thank you so much for being here. In the end, मैं यही कहूँगी कि float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. कहा था मोहम्मद अली ने. Freaky Ali क्या कहने वाले हैं हमें पता चलेगा on the 9th of September. So for the sake of golf, watch it on the 9th of September. Now I'm going to come in for one. अरे एक मिनट यार.
Facebook के लिए.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.